Happy New Year. This is from Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. Happy New Year, guys. You know, we have a wonderful year. 2018 was a great year. You know what I mean? This is the last day, last hours, last moment of 2018. Just taking the time before 2019 come to say Happy New Year, and hopefully guys have a wonderful year ahead, which is coming 2019. And you know what I mean, we're gonna be doing some great recipe, great ideas, and we will be sharing some new recipe with love and blessing, guys. It's just amazing. I must say, you know what, 2018 was a great year and I can't complain. You know what I mean, it just was a blessed new year, and you know what I mean, year. And as the new year come now, we will be giving you some great ideas, great stuff, great drink, great salad, and great stuff. Leave your comments in the description box for the resolution, which is will be coming up very soon from Chef Ricardo and the team. Thank you so much for tuning in to Chef Ricardo and the cooking show. We will be coming with more recipes and more ideas. See you next time. Bye bye.